The internet was shut down in Pakistan on May 9, 2023, amid the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan. The shutdown was ordered by the government of Pakistan, and it affected all major social media platforms, including Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. The shutdown was met with widespread criticism from human rights groups, who said it was a violation of freedom of expression. The government defended the shutdown, saying it was necessary to protect public safety. The internet shutdown was lifted on May 12, 2023, after 4 days. However, the government has said it may impose another shutdown if there are further protests. Here are some of the reasons why the internet was shut down in Pakistan on May 9, 2023. To protect public safety. The government also said that the shutdown was necessary to protect public safety. They argued that the protests were becoming increasingly violent and that the internet was being used to coordinate and incite violence. To maintain law and order. The PTA said the shutdown was necessary to maintain law and order and to prevent the spread of misinformation. Prevent the spread of misinformation. The PTA said the shutdown was necessary to prevent the spread of misinformation, which could lead to violence. To restrict access to social media. The shutdown was also seen as an attempt to restrict access to social media, which was being used to organize protests. The internet shutdown had a significant impact on people in Pakistan. Many people were unable to access work, education, and healthcare. The internet shutdown was lifted on May 12, 2023, after 4 days. However, the PTA has said that it could be reinstated if there are further protests. There were several losses incurred due to the internet shutdown in Pakistan on May 9, 2023. These losses included economic losses. The internet shutdown disrupted businesses and caused economic losses. For example, food delivery drivers were unable to work because they could not access the internet to receive orders. Educational losses. The internet shutdown disrupted education. Students were unable to access online classes and resources. Healthcare losses. The internet shutdown disrupted healthcare. Patients were unable to access online medical advice and resources. The internet shutdown was a violation of the right to freedom of expression. The right to freedom of expression is a fundamental human right that is protected by international law. The internet is a vital tool for exercising the right to freedom of expression. The vandalism and arson during protests by the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI workers across the country and the government shutdown of the internet for 3 days have taken a toll on the national exchequer, as it suffered a loss of more than Rs 3.5 billion.